Oh my God. Oh my God, are you kidding? Oh God, it's gorgeous.
When we first walked into Gabby's room, it is Gabby. That room is Gabby. Yeah. From the quotes to the wallpaper.
You know, as soon as you open the doors, I already knew it was gonna be something, it was just gonna be a game changer. Like, I never envisioned it to look like that.
You have your gym, you have all your play areas, the bathroom. Yeah, there's no chore down there. Even laundry is gonna be fun to do.
Right on the corner there is the Casada house, and we're gonna go surprise them and let them know they're being rescued. Unfortunately, their oldest son, James, was in a horrific car accident a few years ago and now is a quadriplegic. And the only way he's able to get around the house is in his wheelchair that he controls with his mouth.
James' accident happened in August of 2014. We all went out, and then he left with 2 other friends, and they got into a car accident.
When James went to the surgery room, the doctor didn't give us like a good chance that he's gonna even survive.
Surgeries.
And the doctor told after the date of surgery that he's gonna be paralyzed for the rest of his life.
James is making a lot of progress, but the house is not meeting a lot of his needs.
All right, James, you want to see your bedroom?
I'm ready.
This is, I hope, the room you're looking for.
Wow.
James, this is you right here.
James, your bed. Your bed.
It was a nice surprise when I saw the bed, the room.
You know, as soon as you open the doors, I already knew it was gonna be something, it was just gonna be a game changer. Like, I never envisioned it to look like that.
Raising 3 kids is hard work. Trust me, I have 3 of my own and a 4th on the way. What the Gatons really need is a safe kitchen where they can cook, they can gather, and they can be together. In their current kitchen, it's just not up to par.
I would love to see something good happen for my parents after all the hard work they've done for us. I think it would be like very rewarding to them to finally have like the kitchen they've always wanted.
Holy Jesus! Oh my God! Oh my God! Are you kidding? Oh God, it's gorgeous!
Like, who lives here?
I hope I don't curse too much.
Look at this fireplace, Don.
I know.
It's a little brighter in here, right?
A little.
Oh my God, it is beautiful.
The living room is light, comfortable. It's a happy space. It feels like us.
George.
This is unbelievable. It was supposed to be the kitchen.
This is the best case of collateral damage, you know?
Look at this. Oh my God.
Look at. Oh my. Oh, I can't. I know. I'm saying
You
it
guys,
must be.
this
It's
is
going to be.
This is crazy. A gas stove, thank you, God. You got your kitchen, girl.
Oh my.
You got your kitchen, huh?
In 2014, the DiFilippo's loving household was turned upside down when they received some life-altering news.
I was laying on the couch, I was trying to take a nap, and my mom put the phone on. She thought it was just like a telemarketer or something, and I remember the doctor's voice saying that she thought I had the leukemia.
Gabby has bravely endured more than 2.5 years of daily treatments and has made significant progress on her road to recovery. For all of her life, Gabby has shared a small, cramped bedroom with her older brother. And although home improvement projects have been discussed for years, extended hospital stays have put those projects on hold. Without further ado, shall we?
Let's
Follow
do
me.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Oh, Gabby.
And the secret garden.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh, look at my desk.
Oh, Gabby. When we first walked into Gabby's room, it is Gabby. That room is Gabby. From the quotes to the wallpaper.
The flowers remind me of Secret Garden. The green reminds me of Anne of Green Gables. It's so cool to have all that.
We know you love to read. We wanted to give you a place to read and sit.
You have a lamppost.
You do have a lamppost.
You have a lamppost.
There is a lot of projects in this house.
Being a homeowner, you're constantly working on something, and sometimes you don't even have the time, but there's always something that needs to be done. The basement has a lot of problems. It needs to be insulated. A lot of cold air gets into the basement. The separation to the boiler, the doors fell apart. The kitchen is moldy, outdated. So right now, the kids outnumber us. So we need a space to kind of keep them confined and also provide a fun time. Today's the big reveal, and
Today's the day. We're excited to go see what Jer's been doing. Well, I was the first one to walk down the stairs, and there was just so much color, brightness, natural light, and I just started crying. I couldn't help myself. I just got very emotional. We would have never been able to do this
no, there's
on
no
our
way.
own.
This is, wow. That's gorgeous. Look at that.
God, 3, that's perfect.
Look at this.
I know.
It's like a little finca. I'm probably gonna hang out here a bunch.
You probably will.
Full gym?
Well, you know, you guys, like I said, you guys are real life action heroes. Yeah, I'm actually joining the Martinez gym. I just want you to know. I work on my abs, you know?
Absolutely. Yeah, maybe we'll spot each other and
A full gym.
Not at all. I was not expecting that. I mean, I don't know if you captured my face. I was in shock. I'm like, we have a full gym.
honestly, it feels like a resort. Like you have your gym, you have all your play areas, the bathroom. Yeah, there's no chore down there. Even laundry is gonna be fun to do. Working out while we do laundry, while we play with the kids. A lot of great memories that we're gonna make.
Oh, yes.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.